First in the frame is the golf cart's chassis frame, the load-bearing core made of aerospace-grade high-strength aluminum alloy through cold forging. With a tensile strength of 320 MPa, it easily bears 500 kilograms while reducing weight by 30% compared to traditional steel, effectively lowering energy consumption. The frame surface undergoes 3-layer electrophoretic rust prevention, resisting corrosion even after 5 years in high-humidity coarse environments. Next to it are stacked front and rear suspension systems, coil springs made of 65 Mn alloy steel with an elastic deformation range of plus or minus 30 mm, combined with twin-tube hydraulic shock absorbers, filter over 80% of road bumps for a ride as smooth as gliding on carpet. The camera shifts to the DC motor on the workbench. This 17V DC motor with rare earth permanent magnet rotor design achieves 22 W power with 89% energy conversion efficiency, reducing energy consumption by 15% compared to traditional motors, fully meeting the frequent start-stop needs on the course. The motor housing, made via aluminum die casting, has IP65 waterproof rating, unaffected by splashes during rainy drives. Matching it is the lithium iron phosphate battery pack with automotive-grade cells, supporting over 2,000 charge-discharge cycles, 5 times that of ordinary lead-acid batteries. Its modular design reduces single battery replacement time to 3 minutes, with 4-hour charging enabling 60 km range, equivalent to 3 18-hole round trips. Now visible is the steering mechanism. Rack and pinion design with high-precision ball bearings improves accuracy by 20%, keeping steering play within 1.5 degrees. Paired with the braking system below, front ventilated disc brakes and rear self-adjusting drum brakes shorten braking distance by 1.2 meters, ensuring stable braking on wet lawns without wheel lockup. Body panels use 3 mm thick ABS engineering plastic, unchanged after -30 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius temperature tests, with UV-resistant coating preventing fading or cracking for 5 years. Assembly requires only snap fixation without welding, increasing production efficiency by 40%. On the assembled golf cart, front headlights feature bi-xenon lens LED design, with 6-meter wide low beam and 30-meter far beam range, 40% wider than traditional halogen lamps, ensuring clear visibility even in dusk conditions. The lamp assembly integrates seamlessly with body lines, with gaps controlled within 0.5 millimeters. Side rearview mirrors use convex glass for 120-degree vision, 360-degree adjustable, with blue anti-glare coating preventing dazzle from rear lights at night. The roof canopy uses high-strength PC board with 85% light transmittance and 99% UV blocking. Brackets and body welds withstand 100,000 vibration tests without cracks, bearing up to 50 kilograms, even supporting a standing person without deformation. The tail storage box has 30 L capacity, with stainless steel latches closing tightly, making a crisp click during 5,000 opening-closing tests without loosening, sealed enough for moderate rain. The tester slowly turns the wheel, the cart tracing smooth arcs with uniform steering feedback. Each 1-degree wheel rotation triggers precise 0.8-degree tire turn, with almost no lean. The 17V DC motor runs below 60 decibels, equivalent to normal conversation, never disturbing golfers. Acceleration is linear and smooth, reaching 20 km per hour from 0 in 4.5 seconds without jerking. After 1 hour continuous testing covering slopes, corners and various terrains, the lithium iron phosphate battery loses only 25% power, fully meeting all-day course needs. When crossing 5 cm speed bumps, suspension limits vibration to 3 mm, barely felt by passengers, paired with ergonomic seats, ensuring comfort during long rides. The cart remains stable during 10 consecutive acceleration-deceleration tests without abnormal noise or loose parts, exceeding industry standards by 15% overall.